Alright guys, good morning to you all. Today we are going to make ground beef dumpling. So I have 1 pound. How many pounds, hon? Is the ground beef that you left me?
Yeah.
So I have 1 pound of ground beef. I put onion, ginger, finely chopped, and some onion greens. Alright, so I have a wrapper here. You can find this wrapper in Oriental store or you can make your own. But it's easy to just buy the one that is already made. Right, first step, you put water on the side of this dumpling wrapper so that it's easy to seal it. Eric is also making salad. Healthy eating. Dumpling. Is dumpling still your favorite, Annie? So instead of going out to eat, so this year will be kind of like healthy eating at home. Seems like Eric is not convinced. Show your face here, honey. He's not convinced to do it. After all the spending during Christmas, now it's time to get back to our healthy eating. Actually, if you go out to eat and have some dumpling, it's a little bit costly. But because I knew how to make dumpling and we have ground beef, we normally order half beef every 2 years, so we have lots of supply of ground beef. And I'm going to steam this for our lunch. Eric actually loves dumpling. This is one of his favorite. This is one of your favorite, Han?
Yes.
Yeah.
I like a lot of food.
He loves a lot different kinds of food. So to wrap it, just have a small half tablespoon and rub some water in the edge, and see that? You can actually make a design too if you want. You can do like that. But because this is not for sale, it's just for our consumption, just make it simple. Oh, there's advertisement in there. Been knocking out some stuff.